Welcome everyone! Today we bring a new revolution in the world of technology, Nothing Phone 2a. This phone has created a response since its launch. Let's know its features. But wait, at the end of the video we will discuss why you should buy Nothing Phone 2a and why not, so definitely watch till the end. First, let's come to the exhibition of the phone. The design of Nothing Phone 2a is very beautiful and attractive. Its 6.7-inch AMOLED display and 700 nits will give you vivid colors and excellent visual experience. I had no problem seeing the phone's screen in indoor lighting or outdoors on most days, although strong sunlight sometimes affected visibility. Gaming and scrolling will be smoother as the refresh rate of the display is 120 Hz. Now come to the performance. Nothing Phone 2a is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7200 Pro processor, which ensures a super fast and efficient experience. It is accompanied by 12 GB RAM and 256 GB internal storage, which is capable of running any high-end applications and games with ease. Not to mention the camera. The Nothing Phone 2a has a triple camera setup on the back. 50 megapixel primary camera, 50 megapixel ultra-wide camera, and 8 megapixel telephoto lens. By doing this, you will get very clear and detailed pictures. Also, its 32 megapixel front camera ensures great selfies. Check out some samples. Nothing Phone 2a has a 5000 mAh battery, which guarantees long usage. This battery will give you a long-time gaming experience. To test battery life, I streamed a 1080p video at full brightness until the Phone 2a shuts down. It performed reasonably well, lasting 11 hours and 45 minutes. Moreover, the phone has 45 watts fast charging support, so your phone will be charged very quickly. It took me about an hour to get this phone from 0% to 100%. Operating system and other features. The phone runs on Android 14 based Nothing OS 2.5.5, which is very user-friendly and customizable. The device will get 3 years of OS updates and 4 years of security updates. Also, it has 5G support, IP68 rating that is water and dust resistant, and state-of-the-art in-display fingerprint sensor. The price of Nothing Phone 2a starts at $349. It can be found on various e-commerce sites and offline stores. Now come to the reasons why should buy the phone. The phone is affordable, bright and smooth display, excellent camera with effective video stabilization, competitive battery life. What other reasons should you not buy the phone? The phone has limited 5G support, limited water resistance, no wireless charging, not readily available in the US. So guys, these were some of the key features of Nothing Phone 2a. It is truly an amazing smartphone that can be a great choice for tech lovers. If you like our video, then like and share and subscribe our channel to get latest technology related videos. Thank you.